You know what these are? These are a delicacy, and we're gonna do it today. Jalapenos. Poppers.
Jalapenos. Roll the intro.
What? What is up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor. Click that subscribe button, move over a little bit, hit that bell so you get all notifications when we upload great content here on My Keto Friends. And as you can see, I'm wearing a flag. Memorial Day. Of course, if you're watching this, it may be after Memorial Day, but we are honoring all the fallen soldiers and warriors that fought for our freedoms in this country today. How? With jalapeno poppers. What else goes good on Memorial Day than jalapeno poppers, right?
With some grilled steak and grilled chicken.
Exactly.
Have a little, what is it, an hors d'oeuvre.
An hors d'oeuvre.
Hors d'oeuvre.
No, it's not an hors d'oeuvre. It's a, what do you call that thing before the meal?
Appetizer?
Appetizer.
Well, an hors d'oeuvre, I guess, would be ones if you're having a party.
Yeah, would you like some hors d'oeuvres? I don't know what's in that stuff.
Well, jalapeno popper could be an hors d'oeuvre.
It could. Well, I don't think they would serve this at the Ritz-Carlton.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, it's very simple. It's a quick video. We fell in love with these three ingredients. Guess what they are? We're not going to tell you. You're going to have to watch it. What else? What else should know? What else we? Oh, first time I did this. Now you're going to see Susan gut these jalapenos. Okay. First time I did it, I didn't wear gloves and burned my fingers, and for some reason I wiped my eyes. That's a mistake. Unless you like the pepper store at number 10. So, little tip, wear gloves.
Wear gloves.
And don't touch your eyes.
Yeah, and then once you get all the white stuff out and the seeds, then you don't have to wear the gloves when you're putting the stuff in, because the heat is really in the white, what do they call that?
Seeds?
Stuff. No, I'm talking about the white, like, stuff.
Yeah, the white innard part.
Yeah.
We'll call it white innards.
Once you get that out, that's where all the heat is, so you're good. You can stuff it and wrap it after you
all right,
get the
guys.
stuff out.
We're about to cook some jalapeno poppers wrapped in bacon. It's going to be delicious.
Wait to try it. And our recipe today has 3 ingredients. I like simple. 1 package, 24 jalapenos, 1 package of Philly cream cheese, and 1 pound package of bacon.
Just came out of the air fryer.
I love cooking in the air fryer.
Not too long ago. You got sauce. Put it in the air fryer. Wrap the bacon up.
Let it cool for a little bit.
Which one?
Byron says it's hot lava. He can't eat hot lava.
So we need to pick some of these out. Which ones you pick out?
I don't know. That's fine. Whatever.
All right, so there it is, folks. Oh, you want that one? So wrapped in bacon with cream cheese with jalapeno.
And this is straight yummy deliciousness keto. I mean, this is keto, dude. This is cream cheese, bacon.
Oh wait.
Dink it.
Dink. Ha! Oh, hot. Hold on. I can take it. I can take it.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, because you don't have any. Your mouth's been scalded. That's why it's not bad to you. You can drink lava. Wow, that's good. Hold on. Woohoo!
Nothing like it.
What? Here's a problem with these. When we make these, I eat too much. I mean, I keep eating them like I can't stop. You gotta.
They're very dangerous.
You gotta limit yourself to 5. I could eat another.
5.
What do you mean, 10?
3.
Look, I don't even like jalapeno peppers.
He does not.
I don't like them.
He's
But
a
what?
whip when it comes to. Wow.
Why am I eating this stuff?
It's so good. I mean, cream cheese, bacon.
Now, granted,
Can't go wrong.
I used to think the peppers were always hot. Jalapeno pepper. Oh, hot stuff, and I don't like hot stuff. It's not the peppers, it's the seed.
Yeah,
and the white.
It's the white.
The innard. The innards on the jalapeno are white. That's
look,
with any pepper,
Put
right?
it in comments if you know what it's called.
That's with any pepper, right?
Right.
So I didn't know that. The
some-
actual pepper itself has a little, I don't know if is it, because it is a little hot.
You're gonna have
there's a little
heat.
spice, but it's not crazy. So that's why they make the hot sauce with jalapenos, because they got all the innards and the seeds in there, right?
Right. Well, the actual pepper,
I don't know.
like ghost pepper, I mean, it's gonna get some of the heat from the white stuff and the seeds. It's gonna be hot. I mean, these aren't not hot. They're got a little spice, I guess. I don't know.
Little kick, but the flavor is very delicious.
not-
Why? Because bacon. Hello.
I don't know heat on hot stuff because I love
Because she's immune
hot
to it.
stuff. Love hot
Immune.
stuff. I'm not immune.
All right. Well, hey, guys, if this is after Memorial Day, hope you had a great Memorial Day celebrating with friends and family. Whatever you guys had to do, hope you did it. So, anyway, comment below if you tried these jalapeno poppers out for yourself, and let us know what you thought, and if it was a big hit with your family. Because it's for my keto friends that want to enjoy these kind of snack foods without the benefit. Wait, not without the benefit. With the benefit. With the benefit of losing weight? Or not? Anyway, I hope, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff if you like this video. If you didn't, tell us anyway.
No, I don't want to hear it.
Oh,
Please,
anyway.
Don't hurt me. Don't
Remember,
hurt me.
keep it popper. Keto popper.
Ridiculous.
No.
Just go.